Alright, ladies and gents, we're back at it. I found a way to do a one-person manifold install that's actually really helpful. So you don't smear any of the gasket material that you're going to put right in here. What you do is go get you some bungees. I have one that's a 39-inch and one that's a 41-inch bungee, and you bungee them over to here. So you basically can set that perfectly up on the gasket and drop it down without it smearing or anything like that. And then I have a bungee right there as well on the windshield wiper. Hope it helps.